just riding it for a minute. Right, I swear. It's getting faster and faster and faster. It's so good. Comes. Right here. Oh, that wasn't that bad. That's smooth.
Not like accelerators. Smooth stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, you see everyone's face. Everyone's like hurting from the rain.
I had my eyes closed though.
Yeah, I had my eyes closed too. It was tearing me up.
You know when people are told about that hand in front of the face trick like that? You're like 3 inches out. It works every time. You can see just fine. Right?
And enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.